Yeah.
I hate Michigan! Look at this shit! This is in one day! It started at 2 o'clock this freaking afternoon. I hate everyone! That's driving! Ah! I'm on the phone.
Yeah, so,
What?
I got out of work at like, quarter to
I'm sorry,
three.
what's that?
And, my alternator went out. Not a good day for it. Bethany's in a ditch. So yeah, that's what's happening right now.
What the hell is she pissed off? I don't fucking know what's going on!
We hate Michigan officially. We are moving out when we can.
What was wrong?
Okay,
Oh, you
we're
sound a
between
little upset.
Caledonia and
I was
Middleville,
like,
and
what?
this is how slow we're going.
Not even 25 miles.
Tom was taping me. When we were doing something about the.
Okay.
Okay, it is now 5:14 in the afternoon.
I'm not even home yet.
Hey, Tom just got out of work. What time?
Quarter to three.
Quarter to 3.
And I finally made it to Caledonia.
5:14. His battery decided to juice out, so we're
To the alternator.
So it should be the alternator that's wrong because that's a new battery. And all this crap started at 2 o'clock. It was complete dry. Well, you know, wet because of rain from maybe yesterday or something. I can't remember. Maybe not that wet, but still, it was no snow and went to this in a matter of
3 hours.
3 hours.
Yeah.
Not even 3 hours. Wait, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 hours and 50 seconds. I don't know my fucking math apparently.
Oh, and what about Justin?
Justin, little bitch, decided, hey, yesterday, that hey, let's get my Camaro out because it's a nice freaking week.
He's in Kalamazoo.
He's in Kalamazoo in his Camaro with maybe the weight of him in there, and then 131 is shut down, so he couldn't go. He has to go through downtown Kalamazoo. Yeah, Bethany went to a ditch. What are you doing?
Battery's almost dead.
Oh, went to a ditch, and then Tom, we did that. Tom, no, we did that one. I'm out of gas. Ah! Subway, eat veg. Subway, eat veg. Okay, well, all right. Concentrate on driving. We'll see you in a little bit.
Explain just what happened.
Okay, I just called Justin. I asked if he was in a ditch too. I just like, you know, this is what I pretty much said. I was like, don't tell me you're in a ditch too. He goes, not yet, but I will be soon. Something like that.
Yeah, because didn't he just do a 360?
Yeah, he just did a 360 on Yankee Springs in this Camaro.
Nice.
And now I'm in the ATM.